Hey y'all, I know you're asking yourself, what is he doing with that Spam? Well, I tell you, we're gonna make some ramen. Come check it out. Alright y'all, what you're gonna need is 1 can of Spam, 3 packages of pork flavored ramen, 3 medium boiled eggs, not soft, not hard boiled, but medium boiled. A little bit of rapeseed oil. And optionally, some Gochujang, which is Korean chili paste. A little bit of peanut butter. And some pineapple. All right. First up, everybody's favorite part, getting the Spam out of the pan. All right, with the Spam, I'm going to cut it into decent sized patties. I usually do about 5. And then I stack them up 2 by 2, and I cut them into sticks. I want 3 of those. Next step with that is we're going to fry that in the pan. Okay, so as you can see, I've got 5 cups of water here in my pot. I'm going to get that up to a boil. Just let that sit. While it does that, I'm going to take a little bit of this oil and put it in the bottom of my pan. Not a lot. I know what you're thinking.
Can I pick that dog?
No.
Can I pick that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pick that dog?
Why would you need oil to make Spam? And Spam has a lot of fat in it. It does have a fair amount of fat in it. That's absolutely true. But if you add oil to your pan, 1, it'll keep your Spam from sticking, and 2, it'll help it get more even browning on the first side before the fat started melting out. So once the pan gets hot, we're going to add up the Spam and we'll be good to go. All right, now our pan is hot. We're going to go ahead and add our Spam in. And we're going to let that brown on one side, flip them to the other side, and follow through with the other 2 sides. So you've got brown on all 4 sides. All right, now we got our Spam done. Let's go ahead and take the lid off this and start our ramen. I'm going to go ahead and add all 3 packs of ramen to your 5 cups of boiling water. All right, now that it's been about 3 minutes, I'm gonna give it a little stir here. Then we're going to turn the heat off and add our 3 packets of pork flavoring. All right, we're gonna let that sit for about a minute, maybe 2. Next up, take your can of pineapple, pop that top, and you want to drain off the pineapple juice, but that's good stuff. So I'm going to drain it here in this cup, and I'm going to drink it. All right, now our ramen's done. We're going to divide this up into the bowls, about 1/3 of the noodles in each bowl. And around here, my dog, Cash, loves ramen too, so we always make him a bowl as well. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of the liquid to each bowl. Alright, now you've got your ramen divvied up. Your next step is for your add-ins. So let's grab them. We have our Spam and we have our pineapple. I'll go ahead and put a handful of Spam in each one. Same with the pineapple. Then we want to take our eggs, medium boil. The medium boil egg, as you can see, the white's set, but the yellow is still a little running. So that's what you want in ramen. I like Gochujang Korean chili paste in mine, so I always add a little spoonful here. My wife, however, is not as big of a fan, spicy as I am, but she does like Thai peanut sauce. And we found that adding a little blob of peanut butter gives it a Thai chili or a Thai peanut sauce feel. The other thing you can add, is a personal preference of mine, is about a tablespoon of butter. The fat really helps the noodles, in my opinion. And all right, folks, this is the ramen. As you can see, tasty looking stuff. I'll take some nice photos of it, put them up with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Well, folks, it's time to call it a night. Do what you feel and keep both feet on the wheel. You don't have to go home, but you can't stay here. So till next time.
I'm evil. You're not. Get the fuck out.